The complete works of Swami Vivekananda, address by Swami Vivekananda at Calcutta, Part 4. Those of you who have studied that most beautiful of all the Upanishads, the Katha, will remember how the king was going to make a great sacrifice. And instead of giving away things that were of any worth, he was giving away cows and horses that were not of any use. And the book says that at the time Shraddha entered into his heart of this son Nachiketa. I would not translate this word Shraddha to you, it would be a mistake. It is a wonderful word to understand and much depends on it. We will see how it works. For immediately we find Nachiketa telling himself, I am superior to many, I am inferior to many. But nowhere am I the last. I can also do something. And this boldness increased. And the boy wanted to solve the problem which was in his mind, the problem of death. The solution could only be got by going into the house of death. And the boy went. There he was, brave Nachiketa, waiting at the house of death for 3 days. And you know how he obtained what he desired. What we want is this Shraddha. Unfortunately, it has nearly vanished from India, and this is why we are in our present state. What makes the difference between man and man is this Shraddha and nothing else. What makes one man great and another man weak and low is this Shraddha. My master used to say, he who thinks himself weak will become weak, and that is true. This Shraddha must enter into you. Whatever of material power you see is manifested by the Western races is the outcome of this Shraddha. Because they believe in their muscles, and if you believe in your spirit, how much more will it work? Believe in that infinite soul, the infinite power which, with consensus of opinion, your books and sages preach. That Atman which nothing can destroy, in it is the infinite power only waiting to be called out. For here is the great difference between all the other philosophies and the Indian philosophy. Whether dualistic, qualified monoistic or monoistic, they are all firmly believing that everything is in the soul itself. It has only to come out and manifest itself. Therefore, this Shraddha is what I want. And what all of us here want, this faith in ourselves. And before you is the great task to get that faith. Give up the awful disease that is creeping into our national blood. That idea of ridiculing everything, that loss of seriousness, give that up. Be strong and have this Shraddha, and everything else is bound to follow.